is at exactly 3 p.m. Nigerian time on Tuesday. There is an intervention from the Japanese yen, which dragged most of the Japanese gold currency pairs lower from USD JPY, AUD JPY, GBP JPY, Swiss franc JPY. And what does this intervention mean? Intervention means when the Ministry of Finance or the central bank pump money to the market to just in order to strengthen the currency for a short period of time, because that kind of thing doesn't last longer. It will just come for a short period of time, and then before you know, it has faded away. And there is a rumor that the US dollar might actually increase their interest rates one more time in this quarter before this year runs to an end. Richard Clarika told us that we'll likely get one more Fed rate hike this cycle, for precautionary reasons. So let's see how it goes. Probably if that happens, we should continue to see this US dollar strength in the market. That means the DSY will continue going to the upside, then GBP USD to the downside, Euro USD to the downside, then gold to the downside. So before you continue, this is Ambafx. This is the weekly forex forecast where I bring you the latest insights in the world of forex markets, where the market will be heading to according to my own bias this week. So let's see how it goes next week rather, where the market will be going to, and then where I'll be taking my take profit, where I'll be taking my loss, and where I won't be taking any trade. So before we continue, let's check the Telegram channel. If you have not joined our Telegram channel, a lot is happening there, and then I give most of my signal for free, even though I have a premium signal channel, but 70% of my signals are given for free. Only my BSPS I include in the signal I drop in the Telegram premium channel, and then it is 85% accuracy. But before we let's check the free groups together. That is this is October 2. I dropped AUD Swiss franc on October 2, as you can see. The trade is running, and then the same time I drop pounds card. I drop card JPY. That is this one I put DSL and then the take profit. So this is card JPY, and after then I drop GBP USD sell. So this is card JPY. After the trade is running, I screenshot and then I post to the community. And then this is GBP US dollar, which finally hits take profit. As you can see, this is the card JPY sell trade, 70 pips take profit. This is the signal we dropped in the premium. So this is the AUD Swiss franc I talked about earlier. As you can see, we are in massive profit. So we drop Euro Canadian dollar. So this Euro Canadian dollar moved like 120 pips to the upside from this entry. So you can join us in this Telegram channel. Let's milk the markets together. This SND12 closed us at break even after running in some profit of like 25 pips. So this is the bot. Probably if you have not heard about the bot, we use bot 2. So this bot has 100% accuracy. That is it means that it closes in profit every time, and the risk management is incorporated to it. I still have my 3-month back tested results and I say back tested results, 3 months results. That is, I will show you on my Forex my Facebook. So this is the SND money trade, and then started screenshotting the bots as it makes profit. So this is the Euro Canadian dollar trade we dropped, and then you see it right there. So I just wanted to say we are not joking here, we are into a serious business. So I dropped earlier on Friday, I dropped Euro USD and then asked them to close to set break even because of NFP. So that is it. That is our Telegram channel. So if you want to join our Telegram channel, you click the link in the description box. The link is available in the description box for you to click on and join us in the Telegram channel. So let's check out this is the bot results that I use demo accounts to connect since probably since August. Yeah, so I connected this since August with the demo account, even though I have the account I screenshotted into that group is a live account. So because of the withdrawal that I'll be making on that account, I don't want to connect it, so I need to connect a demo account so that to just leave it there and use it to keep the track record of the port. So on August 2023 it makes 27%. On September it makes 16%. October right now, and this is October 7th, so it has made 4.79%. so let's see how it goes. Maybe probably it will make 20% before the end of the month. So that is the GBP USD bot track record. So if you're interested, you can hit me up in the Telegram channel. So let's talk about how you connect or getting the full license. So probably what is DXY doing, where is DXY heading to? So before we continue with this technical, let's take the economic activities of last week and this week and see, probably maybe we'll see a very big activities that will move the market next week. Don't forget, this week we have NFP, and the result of the NFP, that is on Friday the 6th, we have NFP, and the result of the NFP comes out as a mixed result, which we have the non-farm payroll coming out better than expected, and the unemployment rate coming out disappointing, which means a lot of people are still filing for unemployment benefit. So let's check the economic activity. As you can see, on Monday we have the ISM manufacturing PMI, also comes out as mixed results in the US dollar. And last week I told you that it focused more on US dollar, and then this week we saw the volatility in most of the US dollar pairs, and the more volatility comes into the JPY pairs because of the stilt intervention. So last week too, the unemployment claims on Thursday coming out better than that is slower than forecast, but better than before. As you can see, it comes higher than before, not better than before, higher than before. You know, before the unemployment claims is 205,000 people filing for unemployment, but now we now have 207,000 people filing for unemployment claims. This result should in case of next time, this thing, if we have the unemployment claims on Thursday and you have NFP on Friday, you should use this to determine what will come out of the unemployment rate, because if 205,000 people are filing for unemployment benefit before and it now increased to 207, which means that the number of labor force has reduced, because if it did not reduce, 2,000 people that are added to this 205,000 will not be filing for the unemployment benefit. It will have, like, let's say that if the unemployment rate has reduced, we'll have like 205 here, probably 200k or so, which means that this should give you a clue about the unemployment rate. As you can see now, the unemployment rate from 3.7 from 3.8%, and the market predicts 3.7%, still comes out as before, like 3.8%. so it means that it did not, many people filing for unemployment benefit increase, and then the unemployment rate did not reduce. So that is that about that. And this non-farm employment change coming back, coming higher than expected. That is a lot of people that are working apart from the farming sectors, so they come out higher than expected. So the previous result is 227k, and then we have 336k. So that's it. So let's look at what will happen next week. So next week, Monday is a free day. Tuesday to just FOMC member speech right there. But starting from Wednesday, we have core CPI, we have FOMC meeting. So they're waiting on the interest rate. So let's see how it goes right there. On Thursday, we have pound GDP, we have USD core CPI, core PPI, and then let's see how it goes. On Friday, we have only core CPI on Thursday. I don't think there's PPI there, and then we have the unemployment claims on Thursday. So let's see how it goes right there. And Friday, probably next week is about US dollar and pounds. That is a US dollar. So the best pair we will expect volatility from next week is GBP USD. Apart from that, so many pairs will move slow because there is little or no news coming out from them. So probably we might have just ranging market in most of the pairs apart from GBP USD, probably Euro USD too. So and gold too will probably have low volatility in them because of the US dollar. So let's see how it goes right there. Let's tweak. Okay. Let's check the DSY. So probably as said that we might have one more rate hike before the years run out. So let's see how it goes there. And if we have that rate hike, it means that the US dollar will continue to dominate. So right now on the DSY, what I can see is that there's a break of this technically there's a break of this trend line to the downside. So right now we might look for a move to this particular level before the break of this resistance level at 107,787. So I'm looking for market to come in, because if you're having it in mind that market can actually break this level and coming to the downside, it can happen, but you don't have to put your mind there, because a breakout against the trend don't always last. This is the trend is in an upside, and this is a breakout of the trend line against the trend. So don't put your mind too much on when a trend line is broken against the trend, but if you have it broken with the trend, then you can put your mind. So this one, we have a breakout against the trend, so which means market might just come here and hit this support level and then break this particular high to the upside. And two things might actually happen if markets now break this to the downside, then which means that US dollar, as traders say, they said US dollar barrier. I'm not the one that say it. So probably you might see a US dollar crash, yeah. So to this particular area, that is a 103,453. So this might actually happen, which US dollar will come back to retest this support level at 103,453. But my strong conviction is still probably might have a lot of, but as we have the fundamentals this week, so this might play out. Or if we break this level and the 4 hour closes below, then you should be expecting market to come down to this particular area. So let's see how it goes right there. Let's see how it goes at that particular area. That is for the DSY. So the first player I want to check is from gold. So gold right here, it has hit a significant support level at 181.37. As you can see, we have a support level here, and then gold has hit the support level and has bounced to the upside. So if we zoom it further, you will see that we have even broken this range right here to the upside. So this is 4 hour time frame. So probably what I'm looking at for in gold is for price to just say when rally a little bit here, and then we have a break to the upside to retest this level before further downside continuation. So because if the interest rate is high, then we'll see a break of that particular area. And another thing you can use to determine this is a Fibonacci retracement tools. So let's use our Fibonacci retracement tools and then draw it. So probably our take profit, if you buy, let's say you buy gold at this particular area, the take profit should be at this this level of okay, yeah. So this level of 50% Fibonacci retracement level before the further continuation to the downside. So this week I'm looking for US dollar weakness for market to retrace a little bit before the rate hike moment. That is probably next couple of weeks we have the interest rate report. So let's check the market when the interest rate report will be. The interest rate report is coming out on December 13th. So we still have like 2 months ahead before the interest rate report. So let's say it goes right there. That's December 13th. So they are proposing one more interest rate hike. So let's say it goes right there. So this is my own analysis on gold right there. And if the markets open, we have a move below this price level. If at the markets open, we have a break below this market level, then I will stay aside trading gold, right? Or probably looking for a retracement back to this to retest it as a resistance level, then be looking to take a sell position at that particular area. So let's see how it goes on gold, right? So the next pair I want to check is GBP US dollar. GBP US dollar too has bounced up from support level, and last week we saw the price moving. We saw a range, and then we have a breakout of that range. The market starts moving up to this particular resistance level, and then this is the effect of FOMC. This is the effect of NFP right here. This candle is an effect of NFP. So after the NFP drop, we have the mixed results, and this did not last. We now saw this candle precede it. So what are we looking at on GBP/USD? GBP/USD, probably personally, I'm looking for a buy bias to this level right there, and this is where I'll be taking my profit if the buy bias occur. And there are two things that can probably negate the buy bias. So number one is that if price did not move above this level, probably maybe on Monday we have a retracement, and then a break above this particular level. If price didn't break above this level, I won't be looking for a buy bias. That is when I will lock up my mind to sell, and then this might actually be my safe zone right there. So anything above if I'm selling and the market did not break above 1.22565, so probably if I'm selling, this is my safe zone right here. So I will sell from here. They probably take my profit at this low. That is at 1:2. Okay, well, this is 1:3. So if I'm selling at this level, so let's put the 30-minute time frame on it. So that is where I will be taking my strong conviction is to the upside. So I'm looking for price, because if you check this bullish candlestick is strong. So let's put another one. As you can see, we have a strong buy bias here, a strong one at this particular area, which means that buyers are pretty much around. They're pretty much around at that particular area. So probably on Monday, price might just come here and then probably retrace a little bit, and we have a breakout of this retest, and then in the retest in the, let's say, 5-minute time frame, and this is my target right there. My target is 1.25129 this way. So I have two targets right there. The first one is 1.24143, and then 1.25129. So that is where I'm looking to take my buy bias next week. And if price break below 1.2114, if price break below this area, let's say price break below this, I won't be taking any buy bias. That is where my bias will change completely back to a sell bias, but probably you might see a retracement even back to this lower market will bounce back, and then see a move to the upside right there. So probably this is what I will be looking for in the market, because if you check this is an head and probably and shoulder, so which means a reversal pattern. If you study a reversal pattern very well, you'll see that that is a reversal pattern, and then it's actually occur at a support level right there. So let's say it goes right there. So probably you might see a move back to this particular area of 1.24066 or 1.25129. So let's actually see how the things unfold at that particular. And if you want to use a Fibonacci retracement, it is actually allowed at this area, because this is the high and then this is the low that we can see right there. So I actually drag price from this to this and then see the level. So the level the level I target is 0. That's like 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level, and then probably the 50% is at 1.2638. That's 50% Fibonacci retracement level, but price might actually come back to 73.6 retracement level, and then we'll have a rejection back to the downside at that level, because this is how price moves, you know. So if you check how price move like that, you know that we have a strong conviction right there. So let's see how it goes on GBP US dollar. So next one is euro US dollar. So this is the trade we'll enter, and then we'll close our partial. We'll put break even. Then after the news occur, this is the effect of the NFP right here. So let's see what's going to happen at this level. This is where I'm looking. My bias on Euro USD is to the downside, is to the upside, right? But there's something I'm looking at. If this level did not break this level of 0.06783, I won't be buying right there. And then as you can see, the whole market direction is to the downside, so which means that we have more of downside confirmation than upside. So let's see how it goes right here. But markets bounce off at the support level, and if you check the daily time frame, you'll see that there is a clear of every bias at this particular area. Market came to clear them out. Those that buy at this support right here, market come to close. And if you observe market, if market is moving like this and market comes to clear all these people out like this, you observe the market that there is a high probability that this high will break and market will continue to go to the outside. Example is in the DSY. So let's check the DSY. So DSY, then a lot of people are saying markets will probably bounce from here, will probably reject from here, and then what the market come here, clear all this liquidity, all these people here, all these buyers at this particular that put their stop loss, market clear all of them out and then continue, then break this first, then break this. So probably we don't actually know what will happen at this particular area. So this thing can also happen on DSY as markets come back to test this level, this high right here. Okay, probably this high, market can just come down to this place, probably might still have a break of that low. So let's see what will happen in the market. So this is where I'm looking at. Maybe probably market will come to retest this support, because that level is a very strong level, as you can see. That level is a very strong level, so probably market can come and then reject this high, target that high, or firstly 107, and then so let's see how it goes. And there is no way this will happen. There's no way this will happen if the US dollar did not break that downside. So let's see how it happens. Let's see how it goes right there. So it might actually be what an opposite. The DSI might actually start coming down and break that low, and this way you might see this one start going up, break this high, take this high out, retreat then. But on our short term, this is where I'm willing to take my profit on Euro US dollar. As you can see, if things goes as planned, if we have a move above this level, a test, and then just like 70 pips, I'm willing to take out of this market next week, and I'll be waiting for. But if price refuse to break this level right there, if price reject at this level, then probably I'll take my sell position, set my take profit below this at this particular. But if you see this one too, it's forming head and shoulder, so probably we might see price bouncing that level to the upside. Next level I want to check, the next thing I want to check, probably most of the US dollar are forming head and shoulder. I'm tired. So yeah, this one I don't have two conviction here. I only have one, and that one is to sell. That is on US dollar, Canadian dollar, because we have break into this level, and then probably I'm waiting for price to retest it, reject at this level, and give me a sell bias to retest this low. That is 1.34233. That is only thing I'm looking for. Anything above, I'm not doing. Like, I won't be taking any trade, anything above this level. And if you see this one too, good, why? So that is what I'm looking for at this particular area. So as you can see, checking the 1 hour time frame, you see it clearly, this, and if you check very well, the area is forming that thing is a resistant level. See, we have break out this level, and then if you check this one, you see, so which means our price might actually slow down, come back to this level, and then maybe anything it want to do at that level, I don't know. So let's say it goes right there. And checking the 4 hour time frame too, you see, using the 15-minute time frame too, you see that price. So I'm looking for price to just retrace here, then we have a move to downside right there. So on US dollar Swiss franc, so I'm looking for a sell setup. I'm looking for price to just retrace, because if you check this bearish, it's of a high momentum, this one, and then I said it last week that this one is a double top right there, which might actually break this neckline to the downside. So I'm looking for price to just probably retrace back to this level. This is my safe zone right there. If markets move above 0.91471, I won't be taking the sell position on US dollar Swiss franc, but I'm looking for price to just retrace back to this level and give me a sell bias to 0.899. All this US dollar weakness bias is a short-term bias. If I want to say it again. On Canadian dollar JPY, one of these pairs, we saw all these pairs of the JPY pairs. Yeah, we saw an intervention last week from JPY, which bring about this candle. If you want to calculate this these pips, 109,586, 107, almost 200 pips to the downside from here to here. 109, 107, almost 200 pips to the downside. Before, you know, most of this intervention does not last longer. So when you pop money to the market, it won't last long. The effect won't last long. So this is how it is. So let's see how it goes. My bias on Canadian dollar JPY is to the downside, not to the upside. So probably if markets rally back to this level, I should see a sell bias coming back to retest this level, because most of the time that's what markets do. When markets leave a level, it tends to come back to it and retest it like this and this. It go up and then come back to retest it like this and this. It go up and come back to retest it right there. And this has happened on the Canadian dollar JPY over time, according to my back tested results. So probably we might see this one happening soon on this Canadian dollar JPY. So probably my market might come here, reject from this zone, because if you check the market, you know that markets has changed structure. So one of the reasons why I said market has changed structure is because when you do something like this, this is probably is higher low, higher low, and then higher low. So we have market increase here, high there. We have higher low, because this low has not been taken out. Higher low. So instead of market to create a new higher high, market creates a new low at this particular area. So technically, if market bounce at this area, the structure have not changed because this is support level. But when the market break this low, it will form a lower high. So it break it, and then as you can see, it's forming a lower high at this area. Probably the lower I might get to this area, then we'll have a lower low that will break this level or coming back to retest this. So this is what I'm looking at here, right, according to my own analysis. So I'm looking for price to just come back to retest this level, then reject at this particular. So if price move above this side, that's the one I'll be looking for a buy bias. But my bias right now is a sell bias to the downside, and this is where I'll be willing to take my profit if goes as planned right here. So the next one is Australian dollar, Japanese yen. The same what I'm looking for on Canadian JPY, I'm looking for on Australian, because this one creating the higher low right here before the higher high has been broken to the downside, and the market comes to this level. So probably we might have a new low at that particular area the next couple of days or couple of weeks. So let's see how it goes. But I'm looking for price to reject at this place or coming to rally back to 95726 before the continuation to the downside right there. So that's what I'm looking at on Australian dollar, Japanese yen. I'm looking for a sell setup probably from here of here. But if price move above this level of 95726, then I'll be looking for a buy bias back to this high. So watch out for those levels. Those levels are very, very critical level you should watch out for. Don't use it play. I know what I'm saying if I said watch out for this level. Those level most of the time holds. Most of the time holds. So please watch out for this level. And then the same thing on CHF JPY. This one has already hit that particular level I'm looking at. It has already hit that resistance level I'm looking at. As you can see, market change structure here, then started diminishing. It doesn't create a new high, started creating a low right there. So probably markets come back to retest this area, so you should see it bounce back to the downside. And if, because anything can happen in the market, if we just have maybe create a low and this level break, then I'll be waiting for this level to take my sell position. If this level break too, it means that no sell position signal occur. So that is when I will change my bias back to the buy bias. Same thing on pounds, Japanese yen. We check this level too. No, market didn't create any new high at this particular area, so which means our price come back to this level. So we might see a maybe, and we'll see a move back to the downside. So price might actually move here and then reject at this level. So this is the level I'm looking at right there. This level, don't joke with all this level. I'm saying 183.342. if price move above that level, forget about it. Don't opt in for a sell position. If price move above this level, that's when you should be looking for a buy bias back to this particular high right there. Hey, this is Frank. That's what I shown you when we first started this video. So probably we should see markets breaking this level and then to the downside, and we should even see markets coming back to 0570 for 0.57057. So me, I've closed this trade on Friday. I don't want to hold it. I enter from here, I close it, so I don't want to hold it over the weekend. So probably if markets still break this range, I might still opt in for a sell bias to this level of support right there. And the next pair is AUD US dollar. So AUD US dollar, it's on pending sell. Let's check out GBP AUD. So GBP AUD, my bias is to the upside. And which level am I looking at right there? Anything below 1.91262, I'm not buying. I'm not putting it for a buy. So probably this is the level I'm looking at from here back to this high, and this will be my safe zone right there. So it's actually, let's put it at 1:4 right there. So this level is my safe zone right there. If market break this level, then it means that I won't be looking for a buy, but I might change it, yeah, so that it might not hit stop loss prematurely. So if price break below this, then which means that the sell setup, the buy setup is invalid. So guys, this is the weekly forex forecast. This is the pair I'm willing to take this week, and the price I'm willing to take them, and the price I will be staying away from those pair. Join me in my Telegram channel to drop the live update on this trade. Anytime I want to take them, I will drop it on the Telegram channel. And don't forget to click the broadcast link in the description box. It's a verified broker, HFM, and is a reputable broker with $5 minimum deposit. So it's $5 minimum deposit, and then with 50% deposit bonus, so you can deposit in any currency. So let's see how it goes. Right there, this is the weekly forex forecast. Have a lovely weekend, and don't forget to trade safely. Don't forget to backtest your strategy too, and make sure it's working. And don't forget to work on your psychology, because most of this trade is not about how you draw line, how you do your support and resistance. It's about how you think when you are in a trade, and then how you behave when you have entered position. Your entry behavior, your exit behavior. Take care. Bye.